Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.8% against the yen. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.7% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold rose 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.9% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices were in a narrow trading range as investors awaited US economic data this week to shed light on the Fed's monetary policy outlook. China is widely expected to leave lending benchmark rates unchanged at a monthly fixing today, the latest survey showed, after the central bank last week kept its medium-term policy unchanged. Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital is buying 2 sites from subsidiaries of lending firm Generate Capital in a $178.6 million acquisition that will reduce its mining costs before the reward for securing the blockchain is slashed by 50% next year.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 23:50 GMT, the US current account at 13:30 GMT, Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0700 hours GMT. The US consumer confidence will be released at 1500 hours GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. The UK's core consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.